What's going on, guys? Let's do some technical analysis on Apple. So Apple, absolutely just a monster of a move. Today we were up almost 4% and $6 on the day session. So what we're looking at here is going to be the daily time frame chart here. Let me just kind of zoom in so we could see this a little bit better if this wants to cooperate. Okay, so what we're looking at here, ever since Apple got over the 200-day moving average here, kind of gapped over this 200-day moving average, went into a 3-day distribution cycle here where we kind of consolidated, put in a new high, back tested the 200-day moving average, and then today absolutely exploded. I mean, a $6 move on a stock like Apple is a big move, guys. I mean, that's, it doesn't get any more bullish than that. Now, does that mean that Apple's going to be up another $6 tomorrow? Of course not, right? Could we put in an inside bar day tomorrow? Could we pull back in a little bit? Yeah, anything is possible. One thing that I do want to kind of look at here on Apple is going to be today's highs. The reason why I'm looking at today's highs is because this is going to be the start of my next trade on Apple. Now, again, I am a day trader. Intradays, I do options trading, normally in the money, at the money trades. I'm never, not the type of trader that's going to buy $5, $10 out the money and hope that it gets there, sometime during the week. No, I like to get in, I like to get out, I like to have some very specific levels. I like to manage my risk because, when it comes to trading, that's all you're doing. You're pushing chips to the middle of the table and you're managing risk. That trade works in your favor, which if you have a strategy and you have a game plan, you have a set of rules, you take profits. If that trade doesn't work, because again, no strategy is ever going to be 100%, you're always going to lose trades, you take that risk off the table, you look for the next setup. So the next setup for me is going to be over today's highs. That price is going to be $166 and around 75 cents. I am going to be targeting the top of this zone here. This is what's called the linear regression channel 50. Ever since gapping over the 200-day moving average, put us into this new channel. So right now we are coming into the upper portion of this range here. If Apple does confirm that 166.77, it does have another $2-3 worth of room to run. I would expect it here to then pull back maybe into the 10-day moving average. That's also going to be rising as well. One thing that I do like here is that the 5 is over the 10 is over the 20 is over the 50. Extremely bullish. Now, does that mean that the stock market bottom is in? We're never going to go lower, but I mean, hell of a job that the bulls have done. If we just go back here to the lows on June the 16th, we have been on almost a month and a half straight run up. You can see here, obviously, a lot more green days than red days. Just kind of look at what's been going on in the price action here. If I can pull up my drawing tool, ever since we came off of these lows here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days red in the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 in the last 22 days. So out of the last 30 days, we have had 8 red days and 22 green days. Obviously, the momentum is strong. Obviously, the bulls are here to stay, at least, for the short time. So while the times are good, we have to ride the stocks that are hot. Apple is hot. This is an engulfing green candle bar. This is a full-on breakout mode. So today was the breakout over 163.76. Tomorrow, if we get that confirmation, is what's called a continuation play. It's a continuation play into the next level of supply. Remember, guys, when we take out a level of supply, it's going to go to a level of supply, to a level of supply, to a level of supply. Same thing when we break down demand to demand to demand to demand. Okay, this trade might not come tomorrow. Might be 1 or 2 days before this happens, but if it does, I want you guys to be ready. 166.63, this is the entry point that I'm going to be taking to the long side. And again, like I said, I'm targeting 169, 170. That's what I'd like to target. Now, it doesn't have to get there in one day. Obviously, check your smaller time frame technical analysis. Make sure everything is setting up right if you are going to choose to hold something overnight. Last thing you want to do is be in the green, hold something and pulls back or gaps down and you lose all those profits. So make sure you're always taking profits, even if you do decide to treat this as a swing trade into that $70 price target. As soon as you start to get in the money, take some contracts or take some shares off the table, lock in those gains, and then hold some runners, obviously. with that being said, fantastic day. Hope you guys all made a lot of money. If you guys like this type of content, make sure to stick around, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all next time.